Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I am going to discuss number problems of the probability. If you like my video, do subscribe and press the bell icon for updates. Firstly, we have an important definition of factors and multiples. See why I am giving the definitions, because these are the basics which you will require in order to understand this topic. Factors and multiple. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number, while the number is a multiple of each of its factors. I have taken one example. Suppose we take 6 and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. That means 2 and 3 will be the factors and 6 will be the multiple of its factors 2 and 3. Now let us move to the question. What is the probability that a number selected from the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 15 is a multiple of 4? So you have to choose the multiples of 4 from the given list. So here the numbers which are multiple of 4 are 4, 8 and 12. So these are 3 in number. So probability for selecting the multiple of 4 will be equal to 3 upon 15, as we have total 15 possible outcomes, which will give you 1 by 5. Next definition is perfect numbers, a number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number. Again, I have taken the example of 6. I have taken its factors. I have taken the sum of the factors and it is coming out to be 12, which can be written as twice of the number, that is twice of 6. Next is twin primes. Twin primes are those pair of prime numbers which differ by 2. See, here we have two things, that the difference should be 2 and these should be prime numbers. That is why the definition twin primes. Again, I have taken few basic definitions which will help you to solve the questions. Prime and composite numbers, even and odd numbers. Let us start from prime numbers. The numbers other than 1, whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. See, you have to check for the factors. There should be 1 and the number itself, and we are not including 1 in this list. Next, we have composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Next are even and odd numbers. Numbers which are multiple of 2, for example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, are even numbers. And numbers which are not multiple of 2, example 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, these are odd numbers. Next we have some important remarks. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even, and every prime number except 2 is odd. Now let us look at the question which is based on these definitions. Find the probability that a number selected at random from the numbers 1 to up to 35 is a prime number, it is a multiple of 5, or it is a multiple of 3 or 5. See, we have total 35 numbers. So total possible outcomes will be 35. Next we have, for first part, we have to choose the prime numbers from this list. I have mentioned the prime numbers and these are coming 11 in number. So probability for getting the prime number will be equal to 11 upon 35. Next we have to choose for the multiples of 7, which are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. So these are 5 in number. So probability will be 5 upon 35, and which will give you 1 by 7. Next we have multiple of 3 or 5. See, here we have or in between. That means you will include multiples of 3 and multiples of 5 and you will write the common multiples once. Let me repeat, you will write multiples of 3 and multiples of 5, but you will write the common multiples once. So I have listed the multiples of 3 or 5, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Next we are writing the multiples of 5, 5, 10. We are not writing 15 because we have already written while we were writing the multiples of 3. So 20, 25 and 35. which in total are 16 in number. So probability for getting a multiple of 3 or 5 will be equal to 16 upon 35. Next we have the definition of perfect square. A perfect square is a number that can be expressed as square of a number from the same number system. That means if we are taking the family of natural numbers, we have to take the natural numbers only. So example is 25. It can be written as 5 square. So it is a perfect square. And in the next question, we are using divisibility rules also, which I have already uploaded in my previous video. You can check there. Now the question says a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random, find the probability that it bears a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5, a 2-digit number. So here total perfect square numbers we can list from 1 to 90. 1, 4, 9. See, this is very easy to write. You just go by counting. For 1 we have square as 1 only. For 2, 2 square is 4. Then we have 3 square which is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. Then we have 10 square which is 100. But we cannot take that because we are having numbering from 1 to 90. So probability for getting a perfect square number will be equal to 9 upon 90 because in total we are having 9 perfect square numbers, which will give you 1 by 10, which is equals to 0.1. Next we have to check for the total numbers which are divisible by 5. So you just write down the table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and up to 90 we can mention. So which are coming 18 in number. So probability for getting a number divisible by 5 is equals to 18 upon 90, which is equals to 1.5, and it will give you 0.2. Last is a 2-digit number. Total number of discs having 2-digit numbers are 81. Why? Because up to 9 we are not taking because these are 1-digit number. We have to start from 10 and we have to move up to 90. So we have to remove first 9 numbers from the list. So 90 minus 9 will be equal to 81 and probability for bearing a 2-digit number will be equal to 81 upon 90 and it will give you 0.9. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.